Hello, and welcome to myTRIAList. Today, we'd like to provide an overview of the ABBIL1TY NSCLC-06 clinical trial. This study investigates a combination treatment in development that offers an investigational treatment option with PD-L1 positive metastatic non-small cell lung cancer who have been previously treated with a PD-1, PD-L1 inhibitor and platinum-containing chemotherapy.
What is PD-L1 positive metastatic non-small cell lung cancer?
Non-small cell lung cancer, or NSCLC, is the most common type of lung cancer and starts in the cells that line the surface of the lung airways. When these abnormal cells begin to reproduce too quickly, they form tumors. When we say metastatic, it means that the cancer has spread to other parts of the body. When we say PD-L1 positive, it means that at least 1% of cancer cells have the PD-L1 protein on their surface.
What are the treatments being studied in this trial?
The study compares a combination of immunotherapy medications, investigational acasunlimab and pembrolizumab, with a standard of care chemotherapy medication, docetaxel. Immunotherapy may boost the natural ability of your own immune system to fight cancer cells, while chemotherapy directly attacks the cancer cells. Acasunlimab is an investigational immunotherapy product that is designed to attach to a specific receptor on immune cells called T cells and to block a specific protein on tumor cells. By attaching to the 41BB receptor, immune cells are activated to fight cancer cells, and by blocking the PD-L1 protein, the immune system recognizes and attacks cancer cells. Pembrolizumab is designed to block PD-1, a protein that helps cancer cells hide from your immune system and stops immune cells called T cells from attacking the cancer cells. It's important to note that the safety and efficacy of investigational acasunlimab by itself or in combination with other products has not been established. The proposed mechanism of action is based on preclinical and translational studies. Clinical significance of the proposed mechanism of action has not been established.
What is the goal of this study?
The goal of this clinical trial is to evaluate a combination of two medications, investigational acasunlimab and pembrolizumab, and compare their safety and efficacy against the current standard of treatment of docetaxel for patients with advanced non-small cell lung cancer.
Hello, I am Mariana Saki. I am the Vice President of Medical for Solid Tumors at Genmab, an international biotechnology company focused on the development of antibody therapies for the treatment of cancer and other serious diseases. I am particularly excited about this trial exploration of potential therapeutic options that may improve patient outcomes. The investigational combination we are testing is a chemo-free treatment option, which is a new development in cancer care. For patients with metastatic non-small cell lung cancer who stop responding to checkpoint inhibitor therapy.
Can you tell me how this study is set up?
This is a randomized study, meaning participants will be randomly assigned to one of two groups. One group will receive the combination of investigational acasunlimab and pembrolizumab once every 6 weeks. The other group will receive the current standard treatment of docetaxel once every 3 weeks. All medications will be given through an IV infusion and injection through the vein.
Who can take part in this study?
To join, you must be 18 years or older. You must have a confirmed diagnosis of metastatic non-small cell lung cancer. You must also have previously received at least one line of systemic therapy in metastatic setting and no more than two, such as anti-PD-1 or anti-PD-L1 therapy and platinum-based chemotherapy concomitantly or sequentially. For a complete list of eligibility criteria, please visit clinicaltrials.gov and search for the trial number NCT-06635824.
Medicine in clinical trials are under study for particular uses and therefore has not been approved by FDA for such use. However, clinical trials are conducted under strict international ethical and safety guidelines to protect participants. They offer access to investigational treatment, all while contributing to medical advancements that may one day benefit others.
We hope this video helped you learn more about the ABBIL1TY NSCLC-06 study. As a reminder, the safety and efficacy of acasunlimab has not been established. There is no guarantee that acasunlimab will be approved by any health authority for commercialization. Check out the ABBIL1TY NSCLC-06 study page on myTRIAList, where you can find the study contact in case you have questions or want to find out if you qualify for the study. Interventional clinical trials are research studies that test new medical treatments on human participants to evaluate their safety and effectiveness. Each clinical trial is designed differently, so you will need to understand how the new medical treatment is being tested. While clinical trials offer potential benefits, there are also risks associated with participation, including potential side effects and the possibility of not receiving the standard treatment. Each trial has specific inclusion and exclusion criteria based on factors like age, health conditions, and previous treatments. You will need to understand if you qualify for participation in a specific clinical trial. Qualified participants go through a thorough consent process and will understand what type of treatment, if any, they will be receiving as part of the particular clinical trial. Patients are encouraged to discuss this trial with their healthcare professional to determine appropriateness of participation. Visit the myTRIAList trial finder at myTRIAList.org to find the right study for you.